Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, we are going to do my March 2020 Allure unboxing. Okay, so like I said, we are going to be doing my March 2020 Allure unboxing, and I am so excited to be back, and I can't say it enough. And I know these are a little bit late, but I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So Allure is a $15 a month subscription box. With tax, it comes to about $16 and some change. Excuse me. And so yeah, I've been pleasantly pleased with my Allure boxes this far. I want to say I started the Allure maybe in November or somewhere between September and November of 2019, and I have been pleasantly surprised with having that. So yeah, I'm going to share with you guys the things that I got today in my box. It does come with this little pamphlet that does tell you who picked it and how much they are. And they do wrap it really cute and nice. I do keep these boxes every month just in case I'm going to send out products for a giveaway or just friend mail or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I see is the Rodial Glam O-Lash Mascara Extra Large. It's Extreme Black Lash Maximizer for amplified volume, and it does have the seal on it. And I'm not going to open it because I have a lot of mascaras that I'm working on. Alright, it does say here, and I really don't ever tell you guys like who chose it and why. I just kind of tell you what they think about it. So it retails for $28. It does say that if you enter the Allure 20 at checkout on their website, you can receive 20% off your order from March 1st through April 30th. And let's see. So it says the formula is very inky, so it evenly coats on the first swipe and builds up nicely. And let's see, it's a thicker brush with a thinner tip, but it does get all of the lashes. It's a long wear formula and easy to remove with oil cleanser. Okay, and I may save that for a giveaway because I do have a ton of mascaras, but I may keep it because I'm interested in trying it. Alright, the next thing that I see is the Mama Made Red Energy Recovery Serum. Blossoming Energy. It's a 0.16 fluid ounce. I do like this brand of skincare. It says the normal size, full size is $40 at Ulta.com. If you enter the Allure 20 at checkout, you can receive 20% off. And it just says here that it has flower extracts, antioxidant-rich pomegranate flower, absorbs quickly into the skin without any stickiness, and it helps brighten the skin as well as hydrates. So yeah, I'm excited to give that a try. I do love getting skincare. The next thing I see is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Zero. And it's not a full size, it's a deluxe sample size. The full size retails for $22. And it says you can get it at urbandecay.com. I do know you can get it at Ulta.com as well. On Urban Decay, if you get it on Urban Decay, you can save 10% off with the code TAKE10. And it says here that it's a no skipping, no tugging, pigmented eyeliner that is easy to blend and stays on the eyes. And I will say that I have tried those and I do not like them. I don't agree with that. They're very hard to put on, at least on my waterline. They don't stay. I have very watery eyes. They do not stay on my eyes very well. I have drugstore ones that do way better than that one does. I did have a few of those, but this will be going into a giveaway for one of you guys because I personally, excuse me, I personally do not like the Urban Decay liners. I know a lot of people that do. They just don't work for me, and to me, they're overly priced, and they're not exactly what, do what they say they do. And I've tried many of them. I do still have one in my collection that I have kept because it's a, different color, but I personally don't care for them, and I think that the Rimmel long-lasting ones are a lot better. They're $5. They last on my waterline. They stay put. Also, the LA Girl liners, all of them, they're less than $3, and they come in so many shades, and they're very, very good, long wearing. They last on the waterline. They do not run or anything. So yeah, that one I personally do not like. The next thing that I see is the Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter in a 1.69 ounce. Looks like that. It retails for $14.90. You can get 20% off at drbotanicals.com by using Allure 20. It says here that it is a yellow light citrus scent. You can use it all over. It has coconut oil, lemongrass oil, antioxidants, keeps the skin from drying. Great to put in your purse. And I have a lot of body butters, so I may consider putting this in a giveaway. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I have tried some of his stuff and I do like it. The next thing I see is the Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. It's a 0.53 ounce. This is in Lax, the color Lax, I believe. It retails for $16. You can get it at flossitup.com and save 20%. I definitely love the color. I think it's absolutely up my alley. And anytime I can get a really pretty gloss, I'm for it. It smells like vanilla cupcakes. We did put that oil on, but I'm just going to add some on top. Oh, it's like a really pretty nude. Feels good too on the lips. I like that. I'm happy with that. Very pretty. So yeah, let's see what she said on this. This is a creamy hybrid hydrating lip mask with a pinky shade. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Very excited. Okay, last thing I see is the Cermicide Firming sheet mask. It says you could have either got a hyaluronic or the Cermicide. The hyaluronic would have been better for me. However, I don't do sheet masks because I don't like them. So it doesn't really matter which one I got because it's going to be put in a giveaway. So the one that I did get, though, it says it retails for $3 on the website. And if you enter Allure at the checkout, you can receive a free charcoal exfoliating and cleansing pad on the lapcoasusa.com website. Just trying to see what it says about this. Okay, it says, so the serum in this mask is packed with cermicides that's often looked for in skincare products. Cermicides are called the building blocks of skin because they help the skin's natural barrier retain moisture and protect against pollution. After wearing this mask for 20 minutes, your skin will be glowing and hydrated. So that sounds very promising. But like I said, I don't do these. So there's no point in me keeping that. Definitely not keeping that one. But let's see. So yeah, I think that this was a really, really good box. I'm very, very pleased with it. I do like it. So real quick, since I went through that pretty quickly, I'm just going to quickly share with you guys. I got a Walmart box out of nowhere, which was very random. And the box is $5. The box itself is free, but the shipping is $5. I'm assuming this is considered the winter box. I'm not 100% sure, so I thought I would just quickly throw that in for you guys. Let's see if it tells me. Yes, Winter Wonders. So this is the winter box right there. So I was excited to receive that. I was very surprised. Excuse me. Okay, so The first thing I see in here is the Degree Dry Motion Spray Ultra Clear Black and White Antiperspirant 48 hour. It's a 1 fluid ounce. I always love getting these. I love this. Excuse me. I love spray deodorants. I love the Degree one. I think this is a really good one. So I'm very glad I did recently finish my other one. So I'm glad to have that back in my hand. So yeah, there's that first item. The next item I see is the Color Club Nail Lacquer in Take It or Leave It. And it looks like that. It's kind of like a really, really nudie color. And this I won't be keeping just because I have so many new nail polishes that I got. Recently gifted to me, so many Essie polishes. You guys would not even believe. And these are like the real pricey ones. If you guys would love to see a nail polish collection, I would love to show you guys that. Let me know down in the comments below, or give this video a thumbs up. I would love to do that for you guys. I did recently get blessed with all those polishes, and it's a lot. I couldn't believe how much. And they're most of them are from the Essie brand. So if you want to see what that collection, let me know, please. I would love to do that for you guys. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway as well, because I think people, plus on my skin, I don't think that's going to look really good because it's so light already and I'm so fair. So yeah, I'll give it to someone who would enjoy it. I see Avena Moisturizing Lotion, Hand and Body. This is, I guess, the Spanish Avena, because it says Esteturo Español Avena, and then it has on there. So I'm assuming this is the Spanish version of it. It's in a 3.4 fluid ounce. Let's see what it smells like. Oop. I always... another thing on my nose. There you go, Brie. That was for you. Oh, God, it stinks, though. Oh, no. I don't know if I'm gonna like the smell. I may pass that along. It's not my cup of tea on the smell, but it does feel really, really nice. So I may bypass it. I don't know. Nah, I'll probably give it away. I may give it away. So I don't like the smell at all. Okay. Yeah, the smell's not that great. If you guys know the Ivory, no, is it Ivory? Maybe the Ivory bar from back in the day. I mean, they still sell it. That's what it smells like, and I never liked that scent. Yeah, I don't like it. But but it feels very hydrating, so yay for that. And if you hear the noise, there is thunderstorms that just started, so I'm almost done. Okay, last thing is the NYX Crew Makeup 2-piece California lip set. Comes with a matte lip cream and a metallic matte cream. So it says a soft matte lip cream delivers a burst of creamy color that sets a stunning matte finish. Light on the lips and heavy on the pigmentation. No wonder it's a sweetly scented formula and a fan fave. And then it says soft matte metallic for a statement, making a cute little, I ripped it, but my goodness. I'll be so glad when this is over with this little cough hanging around. And every time I'm somewhere public and people see me coughing, they're like thinking I have corona or something. But oh, these are really pretty. Let's swatch them. I don't have a ton of NYX in my collection as far as lip products anymore because I use most of them up. But I do like them. I love the way they smell. They are very good products. So that is what that looks like. So yeah, that's pretty. This is their normal size. That's what they look like. So yeah, not bad. I mean, for a free box, I would have to say it's not bad at all. So yeah, guys, that is everything that I got in my Walmart and my Allure box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know if you got something different in your Allure box or your Walmart box if you got one as well. And don't forget to let me know down in the comments if you would like to see a polish collection video. I would love to do that for you guys as well. But I do thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.